What is the value of a given that you have this? Solution from here. We have 5 to the power of a in common. We can factor it out to be 5 to the power of open parenthesis. This divided by this will be 1. Plus this divided by this will be 1 equals 50. We have 5 to the power of a. 1 plus 1 will give us 2 equals 50. Then from here, dividing through by 2, this cancel out this. We have 5 to the power of a equals 50 divided by 2 will give us 25. So introduce log to both sides. Log 5 to the power of a equals log 25. And then from here we have a times log 5 equals log 25. So definitely a will be equals log 25 over 5. So from here we have a. So we have log 5 to the power of 2 in base 5. So here will be a equals 2 multiplied by log 5 in base 5. So we have a log 5 in base 5 is 1 times 2 here will be 2.